Happy Thanksgiving and welcome back to the Jolie of cooking. Today we're going to make vegan cream and mushroom soup. These are our ingredients: mushrooms, onions, garlic, cornstarch, olive oil, thyme, salt and pepper, white wine vinegar, cashew milk. Let's get started. Now we put in the oil. Now we put in the onions. Oh. Now we mix. Whoa. And now mushrooms. And mix. Cook it to 8 to 10 minutes till it's tender. We stir every once in a while. And you see it's starting to look tender and brown. It's not a little bit.
Stinky.
Now that it's tender, we'll add in these ingredients and cook it for 1 more minute. Now we're going to mix the cornstarch into the cashew milk. We have to mix it really well. Now it's nice and mixed. Now we'll add this to the pot and cook for 3 to 4 more minutes. You bring it to a boil and cook it to 3 to 4 minutes. Voila! Voila! Nice thick vegan cream of mushroom soup. Bon appetit! And remember, anything I can do, you can do better. Happy Thanksgiving!